Alrighty, folks. I want to let you know that Mr. Stephen Dow and I are recording this on Thanksgiving morning. In fact, this will be my last interview on Thanksgiving morning.
Oh.
So I do want to thank Stephen for getting up early, although it is 11 a.m. in Texas. But hey, not to put his business out there, but how you doing, Stephen?
I'm doing fantastic, man. It's Thursday, no work, even though my mind's still on work. You can take
Yeah.
the Asian man out of the building, but you can't take the work out of the man. So it's just
Yeah,
anyway. Long
you
story
work
short.
24/7. We've known each other for 5 years. It's really two
Mhm.
days a year that you kind of settle down. One of them is Thanksgiving Day, and the other is Christmas. Other than
Pretty
that,
much.
you're work, work, work. Before we get into the topic at hand, let's get that little marketing spiel out of the way so neither of us get in trouble, even though this one's just going to be a fun conversation.
Right. Again, although I work very happily for Velocity Mortgage Capital, all the ideas and topics discussed on this channel that of my own. So that's pretty much it. Let's get another one going.
Yeah, so I thought what you and I should do is, you and I are both about the same age, only a couple of months apart. We're both over 50,
Are you older than
and
Mike?
I am a little bit older. I'm about a month older. Yeah. Thanks for reminding me. And oh, by the way, I probably look a decade older.
Yeah, but yellow don't crack, bro. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
you already
you
have.
said it, not me. You said it,
Yep.
not me. Um, but I thought we should step back and just talk about what we're thankful for. Right? It's Thanksgiving Day. Again, you and I have been doing this for a long time, so I'll start because this true friendship, and you've helped me with deals. Started with a cold reach out. You reached out to me 5 years ago, maybe six, frankly, after reaching out to somebody else in my network who kind of ghosted you. And you reached out to me after that and said, let's do something. And at the time, I had done nothing like this. And I'm like, let's have a conversation. Let's have a video. Let's see if the audience resonates with what you guys do. And
Hmm.
clearly, man, we got started. Rates crashed. You had rates under 4% for seemingly ever, and the audience ate it up. So I'm thankful for you for helping my audience and frankly helping Olivia and I get 30-year debt on commercial properties below
Yeah.
4. And yeah, I just want to thank you for reaching out, being brave like that.
Well, no, thanks, Mike, for being open-minded, of course. I mean, it was just I thought a good symbiotic kind of relationship in a sense initially, just because the information that I was going to be providing on the channel, I knew that your audience would be very um, attracted to that because again it was just tailor made for investors, and like you said, timing, like in anything in life is so important,
Yeah.
so right around the time I reached out to you was right around the pandemic. During that time
Yep.
we were
Hmm.
coming out of it. We were kind of turning the printer back on, or the machines back
Hmm.
on, and then rates kind of took another dip because the Fed and everything was trying to help out, and
Yeah.
so historical low rates, historical high values, and yeah, we were off to the races. So no, man, so thankful for that day. But beyond that, I mean, I've learned a lot from you, through the years, just being,
Appreciate that.
yeah, you walk the walk, like your hat says. A lot of times, just do the work. You do it
Yeah.
every day.
Yep.
So yeah, just a role model in a sense, so that I can kind of like level up. I'm a good producer as far as money, but
Yeah.
I also was a great spender of money.
Yeah, yeah. Again, I've told the story. Olivia and I spent all our money until I was 30 years old. It was like that's what I thought we did. I'd just go make more.
Right.
And it wasn't until I figured out that the wealth formula starts with discretionary income that becomes seeds for assets that our life changed. And,
Yep.
you know, living that role model, sharing it, repeat and being consistent. I think that's one
Hmm.
of the things that maybe I don't give myself enough credit for. You can go back and watch some of my first 100 videos, which, oh, by the
Hmm.
way, are 17,000 videos ago.
Right.
And my message hasn't changed. Buy
Right.
box, first 5 years suck, 10 years, it's all the same stuff, maybe with some new stories. But
Right.
I love that. The other thing I'm thankful for is our audience,
Yeah.
right? We have a very loyal audience. It's not the biggest,
Nope.
but I do think, I mean, it's funny on the Daily Financial News the other day. One of the articles I read talked about net worth, both median and average.
Right. I saw
And
that
I
one.
asked my audience to say, are you above or below median or average?
Hmm.
90% of my audience was above the median and
Right.
80% were above the average.
Right.
So think about that, right? We've got an amazing community of wealth builders, and I think that's why I attract them,
Right.
right? I'm really coming to see this. There's a lot of channels that are bigger than mine,
Hmm.
but they're just Jerry Springer. They're Jerry Springer of wealth advice. They're
Right.
nothing. They're just entertaining and clickbait and crap.
A lot of it is for
And
sure.
yeah, and I'm not Jerry Springer, right? I'm, I don't know, CNBC or Bloomberg or whatever. I'm just kind of down the middle facts, here's a couple
Hmm.
things that tie together and,
Hmm.
do the work and, good luck.
Right.
But yeah, I used to upset me that Jerry Springer channels were bigger, but they don't upset me anymore. Jerry Springer's audience are broke and they're just trying to lighten their life by watching Jerry Springer and laughing. I don't want
Right.
those people around me.
No, I agree, and I think to some degree, maybe some of those watchers of that channel are mainly looking for maybe entertainment because you kind of see that as well. I don't know,
Yeah,
but
sure.
listening to
Yeah, if
some
you're
of that
watching Jerry Springer
advice,
for yeah, yeah,
right? Because again, the proof's in the pudding. You know what I mean? Like I know
yeah,
many people that watch your channel. I know many people that have that I've talked to over the years that have bought the course and over time started
yeah,
doing the work and just built up and leveled up and just slowly but surely staying consistent. And that's really all it is. I know that people may be introduced to your kind of system, I guess, or some things you talk about. But it's
yeah,
I don't know if you recreated the wheel so much that you just put it in a better understandable kind of layout so that
yeah.
people could kind of follow along a little bit easier, not like
Kind of, yeah. I try to make it paint by numbers, right? I
right,
try to make it as simple as possible, right?
right,
And again, everybody will do their own thing. They'll find their own area. Um, but really, where I'm most proud of is how we've taken this free platform, which is YouTube,
right,
which has 71,000 or whatever it is subscribers,
mhm,
something like 15,000 views a day,
right,
and now we're growing a school community
right,
that's taking, you know, less than 1%, but we're now going, okay, we're going to build wealth together. We're going
right.
to help each other together. Um, and watching the school community grow almost every day is very entertaining and fun for me.
Well, I'm glad to see that things are starting to get a little bit more traction. I know you've put so much work and time and effort into all this stuff because we talk off camera a lot, but
Hmm.
yeah, I'm just grateful. Um, this year's been, great for me, really,
Yeah. Yeah, it has. You're
personally,
killing it. Yeah, you're
yeah,
you're already ahead of last year. And it's you still got like 5 weeks left. You show off.
right, right. Well, I mean, timing, like in anything in life, but also just, grateful for the place I work at, grateful for the people I work for, with, it's just attitude of gratitude.
Mm,
I know we're not really talking about loans or like that. I just kind of wanted to take a step back today and kind of talk
yeah.
about, this stuff because we get so caught up in all the daily kind of,
Yeah.
humdrum and focusing on certain things. But when you stop and take things into perspective, I'm so
Yeah.
blessed and I'm just so grateful. I feel so, yeah, an immense amount of just gratefulness. I don't know how else to put. I know it's being redundant, but
Yeah.
yeah,
No, I think
it's
I think that I think today again we're recording this on Thanksgiving. I think today's the perfect day to just realize that we are truly lucky. We're truly blessed, and we're lucky for our abilities to share our story. We're lucky for this
mhm,
free platform. We're lucky for having an audience that can reach out to us.
mhm.
What I would ask my audience to do is if Stephen Dow has helped you at all over the last 5 or 6 years, send him an email. His email is right there on the screen, and just wish him a happy Thanksgiving, New Year, all that good stuff. Let's show Stephen some love. He was really the first guy that reached out to me cold and said, "Hey, I have something of value. Let's try this." And it's been 5 years of fun. He's helped me personally, helped hundreds of people. And we all owe him a debt of gratitude. Not only the 50-40-10 that we created together based on the
Mhm,
90% CLTV.
mhm.
We've helped lots of people. So, Stephen, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Any closing thoughts?
Ah, nah, other than just, blessed to be here. Blessed to have met you and call you my friend and
Yeah.
blessed to have talked to so many people from the ORAT family because yeah, it's just been enlightening to kind of hear people's stories and backgrounds and everything else and be inspired by many many
Yeah.
many people different walks of life, different strategies, and you just hear the consistency and well, not just hear it, but it
Yeah.
because of what they're doing. And I got a lot of repeat business. They understand their buy box, they stick with
Hmm.
that, and they do the work every single day. It's not easy, but it's you know what I mean. Once they find those great deals, I mean, some of your listeners are like well on their way to
Crushing.
being
Yeah.
they're playing Monopoly for real, like literally You know, and we talked about
Yeah.
this with a lot of your repeat business or repeat clients. You know, they got like a specific number, and then they'll kind of like back off. And
Yeah.
so a couple
It's
guys that
fun.
really, yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
Really fun. Steven, happy Thanksgiving, man. Enjoy the day. You really need to unplug today, watch some football, do whatever that is, take a nap, and get after it tomorrow. You got to go to work tomorrow, not today. Today, take it easy, buddy.
Yeah, easier said than done. I mean, you're always pretty much on call. So, but yes, I will just have it available. I mean, this is, I literally walk around this all day long. Anybody that ever knows me personally, knows that I set up nighttime, daytime, weekends,
That's crazy.
holidays, it's all around. So, but no, I'll take your word for
I can't hear you now. You put it back.
it. Sorry, see, I keep forgetting. Anyway, yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
All
Take
right,
care,
buddy.
brother.
Take care. Later.
Bye bye.